Welcome to 4th Standard Computer Science online class. Today we are discuss some question answer. The previous class discussed the model test paper half yearly examination one words. This class discuss the question answers. So all of you take one computer note, then copy the question answer. This is page number 41. ஓகேவா பேஜ் நம்பர் 41ல் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதுக்கான ஆன்சர்ஸை நம்ம இப்போ டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். The first question, describe the mouse properties as available in control panel. Answer, click on mouse option in the control panel window. The mouse properties dialog box appear with the buttons tab open. We may change the following settings. First, the mouse to be right-handed or left-handed. Second, the double-click speed may be set. Third, we may fine-tune the speed of the double-click. Fourth, there is also an option for click clock. This feature allows you to drag and drop without holding the left mouse button down, but they just clicking and dragging. Okay, then second question, what is wallpaper? A background picture of the desktop is also known as wallpaper. It can be changed around and downloaded from internet. Then third question, describe the right and left commands of MSW logo. Answer, the right command turn the turtle to the right by the given angle. In fact, the turtle rotate in a clockwise fashion by the given angle as specified. For example, right 40 or RT 40. The left command rotate by the given angle but in the anti-clockwise direction. For example, left 40 or LT 40. The fourth question, explain the part of the CPU. There are three parts of the CPU given us. The first, ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. It does all the calculations like addition, subtraction, etc. Second, CU, control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It tells other part of the computer what they should do. Okay. Then third one, MU, memory unit. It stores data and information temporarily. Okay. Then the fifth question, define the following term. First, A, tail of turtle, B, head of turtle, and C, home of turtle. First, A. Answer, a whole base of the turtle in the normal case is known as the tail of turtle. B. The pointed part of the turtle upward in the normal case is the head of turtle. Then C. Answer, when we start MSW logo, turtle is in the center of the screen. It is called as home of turtle. Okay. Then sixth question, write the use of barcode reader. Answer, barcode reader is used to read barcodes printed on items in the shop meant by sale. A barcode is a sequence of black lines on a white background. It has a number written on it. A barcode reader is used in libraries, supermarkets, etc. It distinguishes the items being scanned and to make the appropriate entry in the stock of record as well as to raise your bill if required. Okay. Then seventh question, write the difference between delay and repeat rate in keyboard properties of control panel. Answer, The pause in the time between the key pressed first time and the next time is known as repeat delay. If we keep the button pressed, the rate at which the character will repeat is known as repeat rate. All of you copy the question answers in computer note, then study the question answers, ma. Thank you, students.